game. Only be right will be but Obinum Kura to be the moment they go to the halftime Kurana on the right will Okasabi and Wafafo. So it means concentration level in here. But this is a guy who knows what he wanted out of football. And seriously, all the matches we played. Oh yeah, dear Papa.
Because now then who decided say Obama na your center back for the competition?
In the first place, every position has a quality. And the physique is there or what, and then ultimate control, and or the mental speed. Mental speed, speed we are calculated. No, NTB2. We have about 4 speed in the game, but normally, the normal we have 3 speed in the whole depend one. Over reactive, over sprinted, then you are root. But in football, we have 4. And 4, every center half, apart from the height, I say when you speed, I just say, and then calm down, because when you go into your psyche, it should be B neighbor 5, and have A neighbor 4. But sometimes we put A we see 4 and 5. We don't know. Unimpadia B neighbor 5, now A above 4. Until one no A B or abutre. But no dear, at the same minute,
Coach, until no, I have 5 and now I have 4.
Or 5.
Or 5,
Or 5, or dear. But you played an important role in the as we need there,
Coach, Pacho, how person or Kasim Bichel, Frank, Papa Tio.
Coach Pacho Michao.
And you so just an eye that for
Coach, I say you
yeah, I don't know.
Could be Mikai Ukasa Alcatre. Say as a player there, you have to be mental tough.
Tough, yes, mental toughness, yes.
Me that day we Hashem Trima, maybe I'm a Kobia, me catch Madam for say, Coach Zito there, me in India girl.
That's
May use opportunity to yes, I did that was it. But after I say so, me who after.
Matthew, that was fine. I'm sure. You know your interview and say, me bo.
Coach, Eradin Shaw, me know what special interview. Some catch us me best special profile about Abdul Karm Zito nti meba.
Matthew.
Eradin Shaw be brave.
Thank you.
Bye. That's the coach on it, Frank Assinki. And we need under 20 AFCON. So we'll go back. You're better returning to the Denmark conversation, but I'm saying already Zito team because on what born for
Zito team no before me did can na 17 pen.
Oh sir.
Yeah.
Wow.
And 17 I me call no young tournament, but I'm pram.
Okay.
And I'm be fie because of now screening we say no.
MRI no.
MRI. Into me be fie into after na 17 no at least Zito who me pen. But aside honum no na 20 no answer na me call no na my sign contract or Denmark no. Into na 20 no me honum na me dem pay bon say Denmark time be so na me free akọ. Because now be call omukobo qualification or Benin. Into Benin no dey man ko bi. So ana 20 camp na me won me dey me pente me free on ma come Denmark. So I was in a hurry. So now time no ba so am ba be tournament no na me be sin call Denmark no. So Denmark na me ko boy no. Na your player be friend no Kwabena.
Ghana boy.
Yeah, Kwabena.
No so Denmark could be.
That be Kwabena no kana 20 squad am ko.
Okay.
Into center back come there Kwabena Nat and I was so after that tournament no qualify me better say Kwabena no about Dubai.
Okay.
Better say Kwabena a player. Wa ko injury. O say bibi say into man friend into as a me Kwabena replacement.
Wow.
Yeah, after qualification to Mauritania. So me Kwabena replacement because now Zito ni me da. Into ebia odimi show as Kwabena
backup.
Yeah. Na me ado me buy no Zito ma me platform na me deliver.
Now only why na April.
Na me ne Uze and Nathaniel J.
This is over France no.
Oh yeah.
Wow. And how was the competition itself? Your first major international competition in Ghana colors. Feeling no net saying.
Feeling good because Obia person about national team. and lucky enough me to go outside and sana me bo national team. So me buy no in your man share that new mommy. So I can me start one man sana me to go and can be different.
That's right.
But me call on me now experience exposure be. To me buy national team it was easy for me.
Now, what was so special about that team and Mutimi the winning sa competition? Unim say mumu competition about for a COVID Cup. Because mumu winning you know you're supposed to go to the World Cup.
Yeah.
But not COVID wo.
Yeah.
Into more into anko. But walk us through the journey from match day 1 and Mudi Koji Cup no.
Players nan time players are you call tournament you know like
okay be.
Me kai players ni bi.
Ebi ni high man.
Ebi ni Fatao Isahaku. And Frank Boateng.
Yeah.
Ivan. Bafo. Philemon Bafo.
Yeah, you know if you dreams you know.
Yes. And Sule, Efriye, Danlad. Oh, play me no mu din komo.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Into my first game, ekosi say na mukoya Koji Cup no.
The first game ni dey anyane easy because players ni be on first time. On first time. And a national team so ba pressure ni different.
Right.
Yeah, but you move be too kind and nearby you know pressure ni there at least you are used to it already. But national national pressure no different from outside the country. So it be me first time on board national team so now they were under pressure. Person yeah bibi now be an say. Yeah, but you be you call no buy and like nyama easy my kakara.
Enti mu win here no mobile no then you mam.
Oh, on my packages, on my bills, treasure bills ni nyama my.
Wow.
Yeah, so
na ebanse na ukopi o Tanzania.
Tanzania am copy on na mabete na fie be almost 1.5 years.